I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
And somebody looks over your shoulder and they're like, whoa, you can draw, you know, a crewmate? What? That's really cool. If you kind of like that experience, if you like having that ability, definitely, you know, subscribe. Basically, I'm going to be putting up 3 different drawing videos every day. And by that, I mean, I'm going to put up 3 how to, like, very simple, easy, beginner drawing tutorials, 3 a day. So that's 3 a day from Monday through Friday. So the very end of the week, there's 15 videos. And they're gonna be on every different topic you can imagine. I do that so that you have choice. You literally have the choice to kind of pick and choose what you want from that week. And there are gonna be different topics. There's Sesame Street, there's Pokemon, there's a few Fortnite, there's all kinds of stuff. So definitely check it out if you can. Oh, well, if that sounds good to you, there's a good news. It's totally free. It's YouTube, right? Completely free. So hit that subscribe if that does sound good to you, and press the bell icon because that's the only way it'll actually work. Pulling a line up for the leg. A line up here. Pulling across. All right. And that's it, because you're not going to see his backpack if he's facing right toward us. So what I'm going to do now is going to thicken the lines everywhere. And I want to do that because I want it to match the animation of the game. So see how simple this is? This is probably one of the simplest ever, to be honest. And remember, this doesn't have to be a carbon copy. You can make this a little taller. You can make it a little shorter. You just want the impression of the character, right? It doesn't have to be exact. Like this window could be a little taller, a little shorter. There's a lot of leeway and they'll still be ready. You know, you are just kind of freestyling it, you know? You're just doodling whatever you want, whatever comes to your mind. You're getting those ideas out there. Normally, you got to load those ideas up, usually. Like, you know, but I mean, you watch so much media that I'm sure you have a good idea, a good grasp on that. You have a grasp on ideas. You know, if you watch like anime or you watch, what else other than anime? You know, of course, like video games, you play video, there's all kinds of ideas out there to grasp. As far as for me, my biggest inspiration is probably from video games. If you ever look at the art I doodle on my own, I've shown it too on the community page. It's mostly like monster art with a different pen. If you ever want to see that, go check that out. I actually sold a version of my sketchbook at one point. I ended up printing it out and putting it out there. But if you have any other ideas, by the way, let me know for a drawing video here. Make sure I haven't done it already though. Maybe go check out the playlist, or maybe write it in if it comes up. Because usually people give me, not always, but sometimes people give me suggestions, but I've already done a video, right? Because I do so many videos. Just fixing some lines here. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for being with me here. You are great. I can tell from the comment section from all the other videos that there's a lot of amazingly nice people, and there's a lot of really good artists on here. That's another thing I noticed. So thank you so much. I will see you next time. If you got to this point, say hi to me in the comments section, and if you do that, I'll know that you made it to this point. You made it to the end. So talk to you soon, and this has been Easy Pictures to Draw.